A warm and pleasant greetings to all. We, the team members of Team E Group A, are here to do the coastal environmental field study on the topic developing new sustainable plans and public awareness activities for reducing environmental pollution and ensuring the long-term cleanness of the beach area. For our field study, the guide is Mrs. Sudhamati ma'am. First, we reached the Kanyakumari zero point and we went to the back area of the zero point. There, we saw many plastic and some plastic was eaten by the animals and some were banned. So, our guide ma'am said that this plastic is non-biodegradable and this causes disease in humans, animals, marine life and etc. Next, we gave yellow bags to the grandma and grandpa, informing that use yellow bags instead of using plastic bags for packaging.
After that, we went to the Forest Port guest house. There we saw many groups of rosy starling birds flying around there. Sudhamati ma'am explained the difference between a tortoise and a turtle. She told us that turtles lay about 80 to 150 eggs and bury them under nearly 2 feet of sand. We took photos and enjoyed watching the birds. After that, we went to beach area. There we saw many birds like starlings, mynas and pigeons.
During the field visit to Kanyakumari coastal area, we found torn pieces of nylon fishing nets which are harmful to sea creatures such as turtles, crabs and fishes. Then waste cloths which the marine organisms from the smallest plankton to fish, crab and whales mistake these microfibers for food. Ingestion can cause death of the organism. We found pieces of glass bottles are dangerous to both visitors and coastal area organisms. Plastic waste thrown over the coastal areas are killing marine life, destroying vital habitats like coral reefs, releasing harmful chemicals that disrupt ecosystem and food webs. We decided to clean the beach as much as possible to create awareness.
At first, we saw the types of algae in the marine like alva. Alva, also known as sea lettuce, is a type of green algae found in oceans worldwide, including India's coastal areas. We also saw algae such as red algae, green algae and brown algae. Green algae are a diverse group of photosynthetic organisms found in water bodies, including oceans, lakes and rivers. Brown algae are a group of marine algae, including sargassum. And finally, sargassum. Sargassum is a type of algae commonly found in tropical oceans, including India's coastal waters. We also saw insects in these algae.
Then we have planted a plant called Ammophila arenaria, also known as beach grass. This plant helps in forming sand dunes which protect the coastal line from erosion. We also planted it to provide a safe nesting place for tortoises, protecting their eggs from strong winds and predators. This activity helped us understand the importance of plants in protecting nature and wildlife.
இந்த லோக்கல் ஷாப்ஸ் வந்து வெண்டர்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்காங்கல்ல, அவங்க வந்து இந்த சீஷோரில் உள்ள வேஸ்ட்டை க்ளீன் பண்ணதுக்காக ஒரு ஸ்டெப் எடுக்கணும். என்ன ஸ்டெப் எடுக்கணும்?
அதாவது இப்போ எக்ஸாம்பிள் வேஸ்ட் டூரிஸ்ட் அவங்களுக்கு வந்து கலந்தாக்க லாங்குவேஜ் சப்போஸ் நம்ம வந்து அவங்க லாங்குவேஜ் போர்டில் இருந்தாலுமே அவங்க வந்து கண்டுக்க மாட்டாங்க. அவங்க யூஸ் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. இதெல்லாமே அந்த தமிழ்நாடு குவாலிட்டி கடைகளில் தான் இந்த அவேர்னஸ் எல்லாம் வரும். அப்போ அவங்க வந்து இன்னும் நிறைய ஸ்டெப்ஸ் எடுக்க முடியும், நிறைய அவேர் பண்ண முடியும்.
During the field study, we asked questions to forest officer and our guide Sudhamati ma'am. The first question was, if we keep awareness board in our language, other visitors do not know the language, so they will put the nets and plastics in ocean. What can we do for this? For that, The forest officer told answer that we can keep the awareness board in their language and also we can keep awareness show monthly once. The second question, why we should conserve the Kanyakumari beach point and it's important. For this answer, forest officer told, in this place the turtles lay eggs. If the land is full of plastic, turtles do not lay eggs. Therefore, it becomes endangered and it is called as the scavengers of ocean.
Through this field study, we gain a lot of information about the coastal environmental field camp. As a part of this initiatives, we have distributed the yellow bags to few local peoples and asked them to use yellow bags instead of using plastic bags. With the guidance of Kanyakumari local police and Tamil Nadu forest officers, we gain a lot of information about the coastal environmental field camp. So I would like to thank Sudhamati ma'am, our guide, for guiding us, and the Kanyakumari police officer and the Tamil Nadu forest officer for guiding us, and Kumari Arivial Peravai for giving us this wonderful opportunity, and our coordinator Sunil Kumar sir, and our guide Soumya ma'am, and our research associate Devananda sister and Keetana sister for guiding us. Once again, I would like to thank Kumari Arivial Peravai for giving us this wonderful opportunity.